In an earlier video, we showed how you can trigger sound effects from the dashboard here. In addition to this, there's also a way to trigger these same sounds by pressing sequences of keys on your keyboard. To begin, hold down the Alt key, and while holding it down, press on the S key. If you're using a Mac, the Alt key is also known as the Option key. So once you press Alt S, all you need to do is press two more keys. The first key specifies the sound effects category, and the second key specifies the sound itself. Let's take a closer look at the sound effect menu, and I'll show you what I mean. You'll notice that the first letter of the category headers and sound effects are underlined. These are the letters whose keys you need to press in order to trigger the sound. For example, the red alert sound is in the alerts category. To trigger it, press Alt S, then A for alerts, and then R for red alert. And there you have it, sound effect keyboard shortcuts.